back with another video, and I'm Prince Nanny. As you see, I'm uploading video after a long time because I was busy in my real job. I'm working in Qatar right now and I wanted to start a new series of AliExpress. Actually, I'm buying a lot of stuff from AliExpress and some cool stuff, you know, I'm a gadget lover. So I thought I would share with you so you can also see the quality and everything. So I just ordered a charger. I'm gonna unbox it and I will show you the quality and everything because I really like this one, so that's why I'm starting the video from this gadget. So this charger, its name is like 8 USB port. There is no branding, this just says Qualcomm 3.0 and 8-port USB charger, as you can see here in detail. So I ordered this 3-pin plug, iPhone, iPad, Samsung, iPod, PSP or camera. I can charge anything from this charger. This is what this is. Okay, let's unbox and let's see what's inside. So this is what it looks from inside. This is the cable. It's looking heavy duty, which is nice. And this is the charger. Nothing else in the box, no paperwork or anything. So this is the charger, as you can see here. Oh, the quality looks nice. This is the display. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 USB 2.0, 1 Qualcomm 3.0 and 1 Type-C. And here it says 8 ampere maximum, output power 40 watts, which is nice. Type-C is DC 5 volts 3 ampere. Let's plug in, and I'm really excited to see the display. So here I have this iPhone 7 Plus. First plug in. Okay, everything is at 0. Let's plug in the USB cable. I'm gonna plug in this first port. It says charging. I'm using the original cable, original accessory. So it's saying I'm plugged in the first USB, 5.2 volts, 1.43 amps, and as you can see the battery is like starting from the first point. Also my phone battery is low, you can see it's at 12%. So maybe when this phone reaches 50%, the charging will start from second point to third and fourth, second to third and fourth, like that, but I'm not sure. So let's see. I have this iPad also, iPad 4 mini. Now it's decreased the ampere, 1.41 before 1.43. It's actually charging fast, you know. Just few seconds ago, maybe 1 minute, it was 11%. Now the phone is at 13%. Okay, let's let's plug into the iPad. The iPad is at 39%, so this is again at 0. Okay, charging 1.83, 5.2 volts. I'm not sure if this is gonna change or make a difference because the battery is at 39% and it's still starting from the first dot to 2, 3 and 4 like that. So let's plug into the Qualcomm 3.0. Let's see if it's make any difference. The iPad is charging normally, 1.75 ampere, 1.6. Let's try the other ports if everything is working. Working normally. This port showing 1.45 before it reaches 1.7, I think. This is actually so much tight. Let me grab another cable and we will also plug in the iPhone at the same time. So I have this cable. I'm gonna plug into the USB 1 and let's plug it into the iPhone. Okay, iPhone is charging. So it's changing its port. Now it's showing the port number 1, 1.45 amps. Now the second, 1.6 amperes. How about if I plug it in this one? Yes, it's now saying 7. It's jumping from 2 to 7 like that. I bought a lot of cool stuff from AliExpress. Next time I will continue making video about AliExpress online shopping experience, like this cover. You can see it's a carbon fiber texture. It has extra protection over the edges. This is the case. I'm using it as a daily driver, this phone, and it's working fine. It's really comfortable holding this phone and all the buttons and everything. It's fine. Also, I bought this cable from BCS. This was the most expensive cable I bought online. It's gonna focus. Okay, leave it. This is a Type-C cable I'm using for my Note 8. What's special in this cable is it has 3 lights in this port. So when it's red, it means it's charging normally, not fast charging. When it's blue, means it's fast charging, and when it's green, means charging finished, like that. And it's really high quality cable, feels really luxurious. I bought this watch from AliExpress. This is not so cheap as you can think from AliExpress, but it's really nice and high quality automatic watch. I really like this watch because it has double lock feature. I don't have to open and close it every time, just this chain. It's really feel comfortable, and you can see it's automatic. A lot of functions inside and also looks expensive and luxurious. Let me focus in detail. As you can see here, So as always, thanks for watching this video, guys. I really appreciate everyone coming on my channel. I didn't upload any video for like maybe 6 months or maybe 1 year. I'm not sure, because I'm going to upload this video after a long time, as I remember. And keep supporting this channel. I'll be uploading some awesome videos soon. Go and hit that red subscribe button. This means a lot to me. Have a nice day and peace out.